Assalamualaikum folks, this is your host Riazadar. In today's video, I'll be giving you a modified form of the Faucet in a box script that allows you to pay in ton coin. So this script can be found or downloaded by the link in the description below, and you can download it, and once you download that, you're going to upload that into your main public or the domain root of your website. So now you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on extract, and once you click on extract files, you're going to hit on reload, and now you're going to open this folder, and now you're going to click on select all and move it back into your domain root directory. And now you're going to click on up one level, and you can see all of these files over here. So now let's open this website and see what happens. As you can see, it is giving me database connection error, so let's fix it by going back into the Now let's right click on the config.php file and open it. Now I am going to add all of these database credentials over here. So I've already created this database, so I'm not going to be creating any more. And you can also check out how you can create databases from my previous videos. So now let's click on save changes, and now let's refresh this website. And as you can see, I have gotten this admin password, and now let's click on here to continue. And now let's log in with this password. And here we are going to set up the FaucetPay API key, and you can see that the currency is in ton coin. And now I'm going to set up the captcha and also the API key and check out the how the website looks like and how it functions. And as you can see, I have added the captcha keys as well as the API key, and I have also disabled the option that says disallowing claiming with an email. Now I'm going to refresh this faucet, and now I'm going to click on I am not a robot, and now I'm going to enter my email address over here and see if it pays out or not. Now let's click on get reward, and as you can see, 10 satoshis were sent to me on my FaucetPay account. So let's go back to FaucetPay and hit refresh. So as you can see, when I scroll down, that mod faucet has sent me 10 satoshis in ton coins. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.